Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In my previous video, I explained that how this algo trading dashboard is working. In this video, we will be understanding that how these dry runs are performing, and I'll explain each strategy, how this is working and what improvements we have done and what is our roadmap for the future. And I have also received the feedback from the people who are already using this, and I'm sure we're working on that, and definitely those features will be included shortly. Okay, now let me explain the strategies which are currently running and how those are performing. Okay, so as you can see and one more thing, this complete dashboard is running on Freqtrade, right? So earlier we used to have problem that we cannot deploy multiple bots in like one dashboard, but this dashboard, if you have a good server, then you can deploy as many as bots you want, right? So for now we are only like doing testing on this, not live, not production. And once we will do, then we will explain you how, and make sure that all of those who are already using this do not go live before doing all the security features, before you understanding all the code and all the required things. You know how to go live, right, on a production server, because now we are in development phase and we will be implementing so many things, and also this is only for educational purpose, right? We are just learning how algo trading works and how you can also improve your learning for the algo trading. Okay, so now let's straight go to the dashboard and see the performance of the strategies, right? So currently we have deployed these 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 bots. Currently 25 strategies are running, all are live, and 13 are offline, which were not performing well, so I closed. Okay, so let me first explain the features which we implemented recently. So the first feature is when we click on this bot, earlier there were 3 buttons like start, stop and restart, but when we figured out that when the bot is in running state, there is no need of a start button, right? So now we have a perfect button. And also in the previous version, when we click on the detailed analysis, we used to have this dashboard, right? And this, now you're able to sort all these different like boxes. So now in the new version, we are able to sort based on the pair, side, or the date, or the PNL, or the exit reason, right? And also you are able to click on the particular trade. So when I click on this, you will get this whole pop-up in which you are able to see the exit entry, right? Then also all the different matrices like the PNL, the risk reward ratio, then the R multiple, the holding time, which is very useful, right? So this code has been already updated to the school community. You can go and you can download. Let me show you quickly how you can do that. So what you can do, straight away go to the school community and go to the classroom, and in the classroom just click on the Nexus trading dashboard. From there you can click on the Nexus dashboard and you will have an option to download this. Just download and straight away run in one click. So generally I say this as one click dashboard, so even for the non-technical people, you can straight away like deploy and start your trading dashboard for the testing purpose, for the back testing purpose, or for the dry run purpose, right? For the production mode, I again like give you a strict warning: do not go in production mode before you understand whole code and before you have the full knowledge, or if you have someone who can take care of all the security features, who can take care of your code, because this is only for the educational purpose, right? Okay, so let's move back to the feature understanding. And also in the earlier versions we did not have this chart, so now you have the chart. Anyways, whenever you want to open the Freqtrade dashboard, you can click on the open FTUI, which will open the port. Like the port you can see here, it is 9102, right? So when you click on FTUI, you will have the Freqtrade dashboard, so where you can see all the details. But particularly this dashboard is to test multiple strategies in one dashboard and to monitor your complete fleet. And also in this table you have all the strategies which are performing well, in which whatever the bot who has more than 10 trades and also have a good win rate and lower drawdown, right? Like this strategy Nasos V4 15-minute futures, which have the win rate of 100% and the drawdown of 0%. So when you click on that, you will see all the trades. You can see here the first trade was started on the 21st, and on 24th was the last trade. It takes only few trades, but I think only the accurate trades, right? And mind that it is currently running on a Oracle Cloud infrastructure, which if you need I can explain in the upcoming videos. So it is running on that, and when you click on that, each trade you will get the same the earlier option, right? So you can see that. So now we have so many new updates, and we will be doing that, and we will be uploading on the school community, right? So also I'll show you few more things, which is when you click on this history, now you have the history in the sorted form. So you can like sort all the history options, the bot, the pair, the side, the close, and also when you switch on this live, so you will see all the live trades. But as of now, this is dry run, so we do not have any live trades here, right? Okay, now let me show you few more things, that when you download the code, you will be able to see all the strategies and complete code. There is nothing like thing which is hidden. You will get complete access, right? So you will be able to see the full documentation here, how this works, like what Nexus is, the architecture, the file structure, all the features, the API reference. Like you will see like complete documentation here, and we are actively working on this, and for sure in the upcoming days you will have more features, right? And also we are planning to launch a full-fledged algo trading course for beginners, in which we'll be using AI, because now we are able to do everything with the help of AI. So basically there are so many people who are currently doing manual trading, and they want to switch to algo trading, right? So for those it is very useful, right? Because let's say you want to create a strategy. Let's say you see somewhere and you have something in your mind. So what you can do, you can create a strategy with the AI, but ultimately algo trading is not like when you see in the YouTube that you just create an algo trading strategy and you backtest and you have a good results. Ultimately, when you want to deploy a strategy, you should be able to sustain the infrastructure, right? Your server should be running very fine. You should have a very good code, right? A good written code which is very fast. Algo trading is not just for the simple AI code. Everybody is able to generate a good code, right? But ultimately you should be having a good infrastructure which can sustain for longer, right? Which will be running good for you, and which will not backstab you when you need it the most, right? So for those, so for the infrastructure things, for the coding things, for all the details like the code or the infrastructure questions, you can always come and message me here. I'll respond you as soon as possible, right? So I'm thinking of more features, and also for those who are already using this, please give me your feedback. We are already working on the feedback which we received earlier, so soon you will get all those features for sure. So I'm waiting for your feedback, and just download and check how it is working, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, have an awesome day.